You see this little ridge? It just doesn't look nice, and it's not gonna go away when you apply a top coat either. So yeah, I am going to talk about cuticle care. To get started, using a little bowl of warm water with some soap if you want, and then soak for a little bit. Ooh, it's hot. So now that the nail is a little bit wet, you are going to use your cuticle pusher, and then you're just gonna gently create these tiny little circles to push away the junk. After that's done, grab your cuticle glass pusher and remover. This has a grit on it, but it's enough to remove all of that junk. Look, and there, look, you can already see. You see this little dust that's coming up? Oh yeah, it just came off. So that was all of that stuff that we were trying to push away. So after that, I'm just gonna wipe away any excess dust, and that's basically it. Now the nail is ready to be painted. Made a huge difference.